make. Those cars are bouncing around. No major contact, just a little bit of fenders running, and they all... We got Nick Seuss out front, Paul Wilson in second place. We got Blake Wilkie, then we have the number 38 car. Cleetus McFarland in the blue number 48 has made his way up to fourth place as they enter the bus stop right down the back straight. Oh, we have contact in the first turn, and it's going to stay green. All cars are go. We're still under green at the beginning of the bus stop. Those cars are going right through the water. Wow. It's getting wet out here.
car, still your leader, Alex Bowman in that 48, trying to take a high lead right there, see if he can pass that 21 of Leo side-by-side car.
Yeah, Alex Bowman coming out of the bus stop the last time, he went straight to the top of the racetrack against the wall. Here he goes again through the bus stop. Can he make it work? He cannot.
Boy, they are fighting it out right now. In the bus stop, can he make a pass?
Tried to do the crossover, but Kevin Smith so smooth through there, pulls away by about a half a car length to 3 and 4.
Here we go, Kevin Smith, the number 7, followed up, Kurt Busch, and you got Alex Bowman, tied top 3 pack right here, coming into turn 2. Kevin Smith about to drop down into the old bus stop.
Tipping out of the way.
Kurt Busch going to follow the lap traffic right here.
There's 3 of them. It's just about 4 or 5 car lengths in front of our leader, Kevin Smith.
Like I said, it's going to come down to lap traffic, caution, and how much tire you got left. Seeing it right now. Over to the 48 car. Holds off Kevin Smith and the number 7 coming down to the bus stop.
Kevin Smith just completely missed the late exit of the bus stop, and then Bowman gets the lead and then ran him high in 1 and 2, and now he's pulled away to 2 car lengths, and we're under 19 minutes to go.
Well done, Cat. Playing with that mouse. Now let's see if Kevin Smith can do the same thing.
Got it. He popped his tires.
Number 48 car. Can't tell if that tire, how much pressure's in it. Boy, it looks like it's losing. Alex Bowman, tire shot. All right, boys and girls, I have the update. We got Kevin Smith with Taylor Ray in the number 7 in first place. Then we got Vaughn Gittin Jr. and Kurt Busch in second place. We've seen at the Kevin Smith gets sideways as they're coming across turn number 5. Kurt Busch really putting the heat on.
USA! USA! Alright, thank you for stopping racing, and thanks to all of you watching the pay-per-view at home. That's it. Thanks for watching Do It For Them. We'll freaking see you later.